acts as a tool holder. Yes, baby. Be a heavy equipment guy, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah, lots of fun. Especially when you're trying to get a fan motor out of something. Yeah, take everything apart. This, that thing. Big ass plate, the seat. Oh yeah, so much fun. All this just to get to that stupid thing. Look at the size of that. Ay, ay, ay. Of course, yeah, this is how much room you got to deal with. Good thing I'm only 200 pounds. My God. Who comes up with this stuff? Really? Engineers. So what took out this motor? Oh, let me show you. Look inside here. There's garbage all in here. So garbage basically took this motor out. And I finally got the other one in after struggling. Lots of little shit. But yeah, basically operators, they live like, you know, keep their equipment like pigsties, junk and garbage everywhere. And eventually it sucked it into this fan and, well, now the motor's done. I'll have to check the price on this later, but it looks expensive. It's actually pretty massive. Oh, Caterpillar, why do you hate mechanics so much? All this work just to get a little O-ring way over there. Ugh, you guys suck some days. So a guy at work, he's got this rental and had a flat tire. Apparently the rim fell apart. CAA came by. Had to lift the rim in there. At least they changed the tire.